Hi viewers, welcome back. Today you can see in my hand this is a engine sensor, and this is a Volvo machine sensor. I'm going to change this one. This one is called the is a vacuum sensor. So you can see here is a one is the, maybe you can see here. Function is of this sensor is to check the air. The air cleaner sensor, air cleaner filter is good or no. So it's called vacuum sensor, because if the if the air cleaner filter is clogged, so there become a vacuum. So this sensor sense the vacuum. It's mean not air is not going in enough. Air is not going inside the machine. So it is installed on the line between the air cleaner filter and the turbochargers. So let's we have to go the place where I want to fix this valve, this sensor. So I will remove the old one and fix this one, new one. So this new I have come on the place where is the sensor is installed. You can, this one is a sensor. Okay, this is the electrical connections. Okay, so as you can this installed, this is a air cleaner filter. Here's the air cleaner filter is here, and this is a line where air is going to the inlet side of the turbo. This is a turbo. Here's the turbo. Okay, and this is a line inside, inlet side of the turbo. So this is air coming from the this. Okay, here are the one filter is here, one filter is this one, and you can see one filter is coming from there. There is a one filter is there. So here is coming, and here is a second filter. Okay, and this sensor is installed which measuring the quantity of the air. If air quantity become reduced, so this sensor indicate maybe the filter is have choked, and filter is clogged, so there is an error coming inside the cabin. So it's not very difficult, it's very easy to remove and fix the sensor. We just remove this one like this, open. Okay, so this connector is removed. Now we pull like this. This sensor is pull like this. Okay, like this. So this is sensor. Okay, so the sensor is removed. Now I remove this groove. This only I remove this one and fix to the new one, and new sensor fix here like this. So now I'm going to remove this one and fix to the other new sensor, and new sensor will fix here. So now I'm going to remove this groove from the old one. From the old sensor I remove this and I will fix on the new one. It's so here you can see I have removed this groove. Now I will fix on this new one. This is a new sensor and fix on it one. So in this way we can remove and fix this sensor. As I already told you, its function is to measure the quantity, how much quantity is going inside the engine, air, how much air is going inside the engine. So here's now I am once again back to fix this new sensor. Okay, so just not it have a little take little force, but we fix like this, put like this, and we press like this. Just put the screwdriver here, this area. Okay, then this is easily go back, so it's not going back, so I'm going to take screwdriver and then I use screwdriver and put it back. By using the screwdriver I have almost finished this work. You can see, put screwdriver here. Okay, push little like this. Okay, okay, now it's already finished. Okay, now is so our this sensor is installed. Okay, so this is a little breather. It's taking the breather. Okay, this function is like on breather, so you can say this is a connector. So here is our sensor has installed, and now I fix the connectors. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friend.